Do you desire to spend more quality time with the ones you love so you can enjoy the greatest relationships ever and be there when they need you the most? Many people feel they're doing the best for their family, working long hours, but aren't, because all our families want is us to spend more time with them. I felt I was failing in my relationships with my wife and children. I was missing my family's life events and wasn't there when they needed me the most. You feel that way too? I have a solution, a concept that grants you the freedom to spend invaluable time with your family, coupled with a passive income for financial security. Be the partner your spouse dreams of and the parent your children crave. You can click on the Learn More button somewhere around this video. This will take you to my registration page. Just share your name and email address so I can share the information on how to get the life-changing guidance on this concept to you. You can leverage products and services from renowned international companies, marketing them online. Or if you prefer, build or enhance your business around your passion. There's no age limit, no need for physical stores or hefty investments, just an internet-connected device. No bosses dictating your schedule. Work on your terms from anywhere in the world with an uncapped income potential. Years ago, I pursued a career in IT system engineering, investing more than 2 years and considerable money into my education. I obtained a diploma in IT, but could not find employment. Circumstances left me feeling deflated. Now, with our programs, you can build your online business from home, guided by easy to follow modules at your own pace. We're fortunate to live in an era of boundless opportunity and information. All you need is a little guidance to turn this concept into reality. And guess what? I have the guidance. All you need to do is click the Learn More button somewhere around this video and register for the guidance. Simply share your name and email and I'll share how you can embark on this life-changing journey. Take the first step towards reclaiming your time and nurturing your most cherished relationships. Click on that button now.